In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail emails to Google Drive. If you want to keep an important email stored safely in Drive for easy access, sharing, or long-term record keeping, this is a simple method you can use. We'll start in Gmail, save the email as a PDF to your device, and then upload that file into Google Drive. First, open your Gmail inbox. Once you're in your inbox, find the email you want to save and click to open it. Make sure you're opening the exact message you want to keep, because the file you create will reflect what's currently displayed in that email view. After the email is open, look to the top right area of the message. There you'll find the print icon, which is next to the option to open the email in a new tab. Click that print icon. This opens the print view for the email, which is what allows you to save it as a PDF instead of printing it on paper. In the print window, choose the option to save as PDF. Depending on your browser or computer, this may appear as save to PDF or something very similar. Once that option is selected, click Save. You'll then be asked where you want to store the file on your device. Choose a location you can easily find again, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, and click Save one more time. At this point, the email has been downloaded to your computer as a PDF file. Next, go to Google Drive. Once Drive opens, look at the top left corner and click the New button. A menu will appear with different options for adding content to your drive. From that menu, click File Upload. Your file browser will open, and this is where you'll select the email PDF you just downloaded. Navigate to the folder where you saved it. Click on the file and confirm the upload. Google Drive will then begin uploading that PDF from your device into your account. Once the upload finishes, the email is now saved in your Google Drive. That means you can access it later from any device where you sign into Drive. As a helpful tip, if you save emails like this often, consider saving them to an easy-to-find folder on your device before uploading, so the process is faster each time. And that's it. Your Gmail email has now been saved to Google Drive.